How to knit the 2x2 rib stitch. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you everything you need to know about the 2x2 ribbing. It is sometimes also called double rib stitch and it creates a very stretchy, reversible fabric that lays flat. It is a very easy one row repeat. So let's show you how to knit the 2x2 rib stitch pattern. Cast on multiples of 4 with a stretchy cast on. I always do a standard long tail cast on around 2 needles. And then the repeat is knit 2, purl 2 across all stitches. So you knit the first 2 stitches and then you bring the yarn to the front and you purl 2 stitches. And from here it's rinse and repeat. So knit 2, bring the yarn to the front, purl 2, bring the yarn to the back again and knit 2. And as long as you cast on multiples of 4, the repeat is exactly the same on the wrong side. So let me get there. So turn your work around and on the wrong side you start with knit 2 again, purl 2 and so on. So it's really that simple. And once you covered a couple of rows you will see the pattern emerge. Continue repeating these 4 stitches, so knit 2, purl 2 across all rows and stitches until you reach the desired length. Anyway, that's how to knit the 2x2 rib stitch. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, comment with your questions, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!